Hello guys, today I have got JingHong Z3, ZhuAudio Z3, and I'm going to show you how to disassemble them. So, to take out the cable, you need to at first prepare the best hold for them, the best fit in your hand. For me it's like this. Now you need to grab this plastic thing, this cover for the cable and the cord, and don't grab the cable, just this plastic thing. And now you need to take it out. As you can see, it goes easily the same direction it goes in, so like this. You can't damage the pins. As you can see now, they are good to go. You need to do the same to the left one, to the second one, and you'll be good to go. Just take it out the same direction it goes in, so like this. And that's it. Goodbye.